Put your tail there. That's the only thing. That probably was the biggest, the first jump on this tail. Relax. Easy day.
Nick on deck, Laura 1, Nick 2, Laura 3, Madeline 4, 5, 6 for the wrap.
Which is the first jump?
The natural, just on either side of the natural.
Okay. I see it.
Middle adults, check in. You're 6 trips away. Middle adults, check in. I've only heard from Ann.
Oh, I didn't think he was going to make that.
You don't think he can go any higher, huh?
Him?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see why not. First, you got to get round, then he goes.
That's what I told. I think he can go higher.
I mean, he's going plenty high over most. I mean, he hits it, at least he comes back and goes, ow.
I know.
You know, no, definitely go higher. If we don't work with his head, then his back's going to get sore.
And it does.
Oh, huh? See, I thought she's going to stick the spot. She didn't in there. His tail's a little happier. Forward a little bit more. 5, 6. Oh, that was nice. That was pretty. Good girl.
Did you get it?
Nice.